Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to Red's Homestead. So today I was gonna be making a video about setting up the fence, or maybe building the actual chickshaw. Hold on one second. Hard to do that with, sun's bright. Hard to do that with one hand. So I was gonna be doing an episode of putting up the gate or setting up the chickshaw build, but recent weather, chicken's coming out. Recent weather forecast is making that seem probably not the smart thing to do today. We're gonna have to prepare for this snowstorm coming. We're not too far north of where we used to live, and we're there for 10 plus years. So we are used to that weather, but we're further north into the Georgia mountains, and the mountains elevation we've gone up. So we're expected to get anywhere from 0 to 72 inches of snow, which is the way Georgia works, but realistically they say 6 to 12 inches. And it'll be anywhere from minus 16 to 75 degrees, depends on the hour of the day. But as we're all electric here, we have no natural gas. So if we lose power, we lose water, and we lose heat. We have the water situation fine. We have plenty of water stored for the animals, for us drinking, flushing, all that good stuff. But heat, we only have a buddy heater that connects up to the propane tanks. So we're gonna have to go get some propane. Yeah, and I might have to do some work in the greenhouse, make sure that doesn't collapse. So first we need to go to the store. All right, first stop, Lowe's. Not too bad of a drive from my house.
You know what I love about snow days? I don't have to go.
True.
Nothing.
All right, so Lowe's is sold out with the propane. They also sold out generators and rock salt and everything. On to Tractor Supply.
For a little last minute.
A little.
Direction.
All right, well, Tractor Supply did have propane in stock, so we were able to refill our tank. They didn't have any new tanks. They were sold out of that, and generators as well. But we now have probably a good 20 something gallons at home. Should be enough, hopefully.
We'll do like they did in Texas, rolling blackouts.
Yeah, right.
Warm up.
Yeah, we'll just turn it on, turn it off.
Aren't you glad I saved the water?
Yes.
Just in case?
Yes, you were smart forethought on that one.
And all the food. Even if we have to
Yes.
eat cold food.
Cold food.
That's
We
what the
have
girls for.
we have a propane grill. We can cook on that. So now on to Walmart.
And a fire pit.
And a fire pit. So we got the basic necessities from Wally World.
Junk food.
Some junk food. But we got candles, bread, junk, laundry detergent. So now back to home.
I've got food.
We got food. Yeah, we have food at home.
You guys nonsense lab.
Yes, I'm ready to go home. So we are back at home. Part of our preparedness, what we're trying to do. Gotta cover the faucets. Surprised we didn't have any here. But I don't think this place is, how long do you think it's been since it's gotten snow and ice like that? 4 years? So we'll see. So we have 3 faucets, one at the well house, 2 in the house, and one, well, 4, but the one in the barn is well protected. So let's get these things covered up. Probably one of the easiest ones I've ever used. It's got a little hook inside of there. This goes around the faucet, and then you pull the string tight. Well, it worked a lot better before. Put that little hoop around the tap there. Line it up like so. Pull it tight. There you go. Do the rest of them. All right. Another thing I gotta do is make sure this is as tight as I can make it, so snow doesn't sit on top of this and freeze down. Just pulling it tight. I'm gonna do that again because it loosens up as it gets hot. Then when it cools down, it stiffens back up a little bit. And unfortunately, when I went to Tractor Supply, I was getting, oof. There we go. So when I went to Tractor Supply, I went and got some hinges for the gate. They didn't fit, so I have to get some new ones. I did give Shannon a hard time the other day that it didn't look like a big difference was made in the wood chips. Now look at that. We're almost out. Almost out of wood chips. We spread it everywhere over here. It goes all the way down now. All the way to about there. Almost got the whole thing wood chipped. At least I would say, well, we're about halfway. But I gotta get the rest of these logs cut. Then what we're also gonna do, I gotta go down the driveway, and we're charging up the pole saw right now because we have to make sure any branches overhanging our driveway, anything big that could really cause some problems, we get that taken care of. And that should be about it for winterizing. We got everything we need. Oh, your leaf blower.
I only have a little longer. Yeah, we need to fence it in before he passes on because poor dog. He doesn't like to be without me.
Nope.
I know, for the most part you follow me
Needs
around.
his mama.
That off chance.
And she got our new seating area set up over there.
I'm gonna go get the fire pit right now.
You do that. I'll go cut some logs.
By then it should be charged enough. We can go along the driveway and get whatever branches might fall.
Sounds like a plan.
Reminds me of that bone wall he had when he couldn't fit through the door.
Every time we go to Tractor Supply, we get her one of the cheap toys. Tears it up in a day. She just gets so excited. So, we've got quite a bit cut today. Added to our pile right there. It goes all the way back. So now, we're gonna go down to the driveway and, oh, it's gotta get bright. It's gonna stay here. We're gonna go down to the driveway and start looking at the leaves that are overhanging as I wait for the wifey to drive the four-wheeler. All right. Well, I think we're about as prepared as we'll ever be for the snow storm coming in. I guess it's time to put the rabbits and the chickens and have everybody done for the day. Well, maybe in a little while because they're out here busy enjoying the time. So I'll let them enjoy it a little bit longer. Let them get those bugs. Or as this one wants to do, gonna eat his own feathers. Goodbye, chickies.